you for joining me on another exciting episode of Quarantine Talks. I'm your host Nupur, and I'm hoping that everyone is staying home and safe. Today, I have a very special guest. When I started this Quarantine Talks, I told you that I will be getting guests from various industries, and today he's from finance industry, actually from CA industry. If you don't know, I'm also a chartered accountant, and I have always followed him. So please welcome CA Uttam Prakash Agrawal ji, sir. He is also known as CA Icon of India. He has been the youngest president of ICI 2009-10. He has also been acknowledged by former President of India for his commendable work and presented by excellence with recognition of excellence award with Ministry of Corporate Affairs, Government of India. He is connected to each end of ICI Parivar. Currently, he is spending his time with his family, but he is also spending his time and earnings to UPA Gurukul based out of Abu Dhabi, where students from many countries are currently staying and studying. So let's move on to this interesting conversation which I had with him. First of all, thank you for joining me on Quarantine Talks, sir. Let's start with this lockdown and quarantine thing. How are you coping up with this, and have you seen any impact on your work as well as on your lifestyle?
At the outset, let me thank you, CA Nupur, for raising this particular issue for the benefit of the aspiring CA student as well as our own chartered accountant Parivar. Whenever some crisis comes, we learn a lot and we create the opportunity. And we chartered accountants are good in utilizing the resources in a proper manner. Initially, we thought it that what we will do it when first lockdown was announced. But let me tell you today, I feel proud to be a chartered accountant. But I'm sure that today this COVID has given lot of input for discussion and I'm in talk with various chartered accountants. At the phone call, everybody is available. Everybody has understood what is the life which we all forgot. And now I'm sure after this COVID is over, the work from home, unemployment will increase. We have a good team to work and all these things. But work from home has brought on the table that what is the real requirement of the manpower. So much this COVID has opened the mind of my young chartered accountant who wanted to be a part of the
Yes, so definitely this will bring a lot many of innovation in every community. But you are connected with all the ends of CA community, like whether it's a student or CA member or everyone you are connected with. I wanted to raise this question for all the CA students on behalf of every CA students. They actually, whenever there is an exam, we ourselves quarantine for at least 6 to 8 months, especially when are in our final exams. And now exams have got postponed to July and August. Some are still with their family studying, still okay, but some are away from their family. Like I used to stay in hostel RVG, and some they are. I don't know how are they coping up with this thing. But I spoke to 2, 3 once, and they are now losing it. Their focus is gone. Their calmness is gone. So, what do you want to tell all our students across the India?
Nupur, first of all, let me tell you, who just studying for purpose of passing the examinations, they are not to be the student of the CA profession. Because once you join the CA profession, right, you are not here only required to pass the examinations. The process of passing the examination is just a entry to the profession, right? And this is the time, right? Whereas ICI never gives too much time to prepare yourself. The student, when they are in the 10, the parents say that you have to prepare a good to get a good college admissions. But due to the in the coaching classes, the package deal for 10th, 11th, 12th and foundation examinations. So student who get the good marks in the 10th to in aspiration that he will join a very good college. But because of the coaching, moment he qualified 12th in the March, even he appeared only, he start preparing for the foundation examinations. right? You tell me which date he got a time to understand what he is going to do for the CA. What for he is doing the CA? How many students are aware why they are doing the CA? Because everybody understands the CA is a very respectable profession. In the cost wise, is a very cheapest. Great opportunity. You don't become only the accountant. You become the financial professional. You become the entrepreneur, right? You have a number of role to play. But can you tell me, just attending the coaching classes, passing at 3 level, foundation 4 paper, inter 8 paper, final 8 paper, he can become a good accountant. He become a good financial professional. He can serve the profession what is expected from all of us. No. But this time, the COVID, right? They have not to just pass through the notes given by coaching classes. They have the student best to best material available from ICI. There are a lot of books for references. They have a lot of case studies. Like Google is there, right? To understand the concept. I remember when I was a president, right? I just changed the examination question paper pattern. That was the worst result I got it. It's not that the ICI and as a president I failed the student, because they went with the mindset, with the stereo कि मेरे को holding company 26 marks का आ जाएगा. I will grab 26 marks and I will attempt this 2 short notes and I will have a jugaad of 50 marks. We do not need this type of students. We do not, the society does not need this type of student or qualified chartered accountant. The next is a good opportunity to prepare themselves. Should not wait for the next 6 months again.
Yes, sir. We should actually think out of the box. Being a chartered accountant, you have many options available, whether you become an entrepreneur or you do your practice or something what I am doing. But on social media, when I posted it, I'm having an interaction with you. I got a very common question, like considering the slowdown in economy and job markets, cutoffs, layoffs. They raised a question: what if now B school, in fact, students of B school are not getting their placement. So they were worried about their jobs as well. So I know there are many options for all CAs, but still to boost their confidence, if something you can tell them.
Nupur, in my family around we are 76 chartered accountant, right? Almost. And still one or two in the pipeline. We never, thousands of years, any chartered accountant in this country or globally will be sitting idle. Problem is for those chartered accountants who has not understood the objective of Institute of Chartered Accountant of India, who have simply like other examination, right? Or one attempt or two attempts, they get the certificate and after that they go to the placement company and they get the job. And what they are doing, they don't know, right? Because I remember 4 or 5 years back when I was addressing 11,700 chartered accountants across the country, the ICI organized a campus placement as usual, right? When I asked the student, there are hundreds of companies, what will be criteria to select the company by you all? Not a single student, including a second rank holder from Bangalore, could give me the answer. On the basis of the higher salary, you accept the job. You start joining the company when you come to know that your role is only to have the MI, collect the data, right, in Excel sheet. It is a only problem and worry to those students and those chartered accountants who have just thought it still in dilemma, what they have to do it. Now, after this Ministry of Corporate Affairs started taking independent director this examinations, everybody started social media, congratulations, I have successfully passed the independent directorship. They don't know what they have to do, where they have to focus, right? So whatever things come, they're just behind them. So unless and until you understand your own potential, you try to consider your own value, what for you have been made. It's a mutual fund. How many people are there, chartered accountant? Top company. of stock market by our chartered accountant?
Yes, sir. It's all about knowing
She will
ourselves
not
how.
have a single day any. Yes, yes.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
It should not happen. They come at 11 o'clock.
Yes, sir.
It it should not happen. They just think that to reach the office 11 o'clock, leave by 6 o'clock. Half of the day they have to do on the WhatsApp and face. There is no job whether COVID is there or not. Nobody like to employ them.
Yes, sir.
Hello.
Sir, you spoke that we should identify ourselves, and then we should pursue our careers in that part. It's not limited to just audit or accounting or something. So, being in quarantine, dealing with this COVID-19, being chartered accountant, being a member of ICI or a student, what can we do like right now to innovate ourselves, or something that you thought that this can be done post COVID-19 as well?
Good time to develop the personal development to all my chartered accountant today, which we are lacking. It's a very good opportunity. I have seen the still lot of people organizing webinar on GST or audit or bank audit and all. What is the changes in the doing the bank audit? I am not still to understand, but all my members are busy in attending the bank audit seminar. And if they are attending so many banks, they are failure in the discharging the duty. ICI has given already the clear thought to give the true and fair view. Right? It is for all of us to understand while discharging the all audit function and all what is correct and what is true. So, not just COVID, even after that also, my members should continue to focus on the personality development and the research and focus industry specific.
So, asking you a very personal question on a lighter note to end this conversation, you said you are spending a lot of time with your family after so many years you're working hard. So, tell something about yourself. How you are doing something new with your family in this last 50 days.
I let me tell you, I have one daughter, Riya Agarwal. She is a chartered accountant. I have only one daughter. And what I did in these 2 months, every day I used to ask her, right? What is your value? You tell me today. If I am not there, that you as a chartered, right? How much profession you have understood? And if I am not there, what you will be able to do? Myself and my daughter, we were sitting in these 2 months. We have done a very good research, and we have created a platform, Mauka.in, MAUKAA.in. Means we are giving a Mauka to everybody who has a talent, because today the whole film industry, media industry, they are in the hands of only 100 people, right? And India जो बोलते हैं हमारे यहाँ संस्कृति, भारत की संस्कृति में इतना टैलेंट है जो वर्ल्ड में कहीं नहीं है, but they don't get the opportunity. They're getting exploited by the people and all these things. So with the full transparency, we have come with this platform where everything will be open. And
that's a good initiative, sir. Before I tell you bye, I just want to thank you.
So all the best. Thank you very much. And I hope that
sir.
my member will think the research and personal development in time to come, and feel proud to all of us and our forefather who has set up the chartered accountant profession. Thank you very much, Nupur.
Thank you.